Hi guys.
Sunlight paints the forest floor as the great animal race dawns, anticipation buzzing through the air. Amidst the flurry, Ricky taunts Tina. "You are too slow, Tina. You will never win." Undaunted, Tina affirms her resolve. "Maybe not, but I will do my best." At the starting line, anticipation hangs heavy as the racers prepare. Max swings through the air, his eyes reflecting a wild, competitive spirit. The announcer's voice booms, "On your mark, get set, go." As the sun sets, the animals sprint, driven by the thrill of the race, towards the finish line. A collective gasp sweeps through the crowd as they see Tina already there, a serene smile playing on her lips. Ricky asks in disbelief, "How?" Tina responds, "I just kept going. I never gave up."